You fish or what?
It's spicy.
Look at that. Hi, fishy. How you doing? I love you.
Okay, it's very sharp. These are all sharp. You gotta go like this. You gotta go down. Take it. Okay.
Oh no!
Get them back in. You gotta put them back in, quick. There you go.
Throw him back in the water.
No.
Bye, fish.
Wanna try one more time? Okay, we'll try one more time. You got baby wipes on?
Yeah.